First, take your braiding hair and divide it into 2 equal strands. Now, link the 2 strands together and this will form a loop. Next, keep the right length as 1 strand. You will notice this gives you 3 strands to work with. Now move to your natural hair and divide it into 2 sections, left and right. Take the left length of the braiding hair and place it on your left section of natural hair. Then take the other left strand and place it in the middle. Leave the right strand as it is. Now you should have 3 strands, your left, middle, right, ready to start braiding. Begin your braid gently, keeping your grip firm but not too tight so this base stays neat and smooth. Continue braiding down evenly for a clean, natural look. Now for this one, we're doing all the steps we did in the first one, but the only difference is the way I started to braid the first one, and this one is different. So this one, the way I'm keeping my hand, that's how I'm just doing it. See, that's it. But the first one, I kind of like, you know, turn my hand the other way. So I figure out some people, that's not their way of braiding, and this is. So, you know, I just did the both. And then you just keep braiding and braiding and braiding and braiding until you're done. So with this one, you're creating a loop with your braiding hair, and through that loop you pull your natural hair and you just start braiding. Now with this one, you want to take out you know, a piece of your braiding hair to add onto your natural hair, because it won't look cool if you just braiding with your natural hair on one end. Yeah, it won't look, that's not the look we're going for. And then you just keep braiding. You don't have to do anything except you notice that one section is thinner than the rest. Then you can do the same method of taking a piece of hair from the other side to add onto it. That's it. And now for this second look, instead of creating a whole loop, no, I'm just placing the braiding hair over the natural hair, like the way you're seeing it. And then I'm still taking piece of natural, and like what I was saying, I noticed one section was thin, so I borrow hair from the other one closest to it. And that is just how you do this braiding. And if you want to add for length, you can do the same. Now for this next look, I'll be linking, divide the braiding hair and link them together, just like how I'm doing it. And then you want to use the other half of the link hair to hold your braiding hair, and then you wrap the other half around the braiding hair. You can do this 2 to 3 times. So the one you use in wrapping around, you put that aside. The other one you've been holding, you divide it into 2. Make sure each section have braiding hair, and then you just start braiding. It's easy peasy. You just start braiding. If you've watched this far, please tell me what's your favorite. Let me know. And you can also make a comment on what next you'll want to see me try. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share, because you might never know who needs this. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.